in our realm right now, you can be very, very flexible in the way that you make concrete look and feel, but there's a very strict and by the book base that most successful businesses are following.
You know, learning from Jeff's great because what he's got is an engineering background.
I was very impressed with Jeff. He's just meticulous and detailed and super knowledgeable.
The core of what CCI is all about. The technical side lets you be successful without having problems. And if you master the fundamentals, you can start to explore and master your craft and put your own style, your own vision, your own spin on things. The landscape has changed a lot. The technology has changed a lot. But at the heart of it, we're still working with concrete. And so CCI is all about your success. It's about you.